Okay, now we're doing question 2. And it says, given an ellipse with vertices at 4, 3, and 4, 9, and focus at 4, 8, find the equation of the ellipse and graph the equation and label the vertices and foci. Well, I guess we're on, we've got a translated origin. We're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And focus is on, a vertex is at 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 3. And another vertex at 4, 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 4, 9. And a focus at 4, 8. So 4, 8 right here. So we're at 4, 8 for a focus. That means our center, by the way, our center is going to be halfway between 4, 3 and 4, 9. So that's going to be at 4, 6. So we have to go up 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And so now we're 1, 2, 3 away. 1, 2, 3 away. So this is our center, and that's at 4, 6. And this is our translated horizontal axis. Now, we know this, that, let's see, our b squared equals a squared minus c squared, and we know this c equals 2 because the focus is 2 units from the center, and a equals 3, and so b squared then equals 3 squared, which is 9, minus c squared, which is 4, so b squared equals 5, so b equals root 5, and that's not plus or minus root 5, it's just root 5, because a, b, and c are all positive numbers. They're just the distance from the center. Okay, so one side is going to be at 4 plus root 5 and 6. And the other coordinate on the opposite side will be 4 minus root 5, y-coordinate 6. Now we're ready to draw our ellipse. And there we have it. Oh, I didn't label, 1, 2, 3. I didn't label this focus, and that focus is 4, and 1 above 3 is 4. So let's see, we have our foci identified, our vertices identified, our bounds on the left and right identified. I guess the only thing we need is to write the equation of this thing. And so we have x squared over, and that's going to be b squared, which is 5, plus y squared over, and a in this case is 3, so when you square that you get 9, and that equals 1, doesn't it? And we're done. Right? We found the equation of the ellipse and we graphed it. Well, now we're doing question 3, and it says an arch in the shape of the upper half of an ellipse is used to support a bridge that is to span a river 20 meters wide. The center of the arch is 6 meters above the center of the river. Write an equation for the ellipse in which the x-axis coincides with the water level and the y-axis passes through the center of the arch. Well, let this be the center, and we're 6 above that, so, and it's 20 meters across the river, so we're 10 meters on one side, 10 meters on the other. That adds up to 20 meters. We'll draw our ellipse. So this is, or half of the ellipse. This is the shape of the bridge, where this is 10, 0. And this is at 0, 6. This is negative 10, 0. So the equation of this ellipse is going to be x squared over 10 squared, which will be 100, plus y squared over 6 squared, which will be 36, equals 1. And we've written the equation, and we're done.